Good morning, students. Yesterday we were able to read page number 102 and 103. So today I'm going to read and explain page number 104. Okay. So up to that, yesterday we have gone through the content that the plight, the condition of Avenue Place is given. The condition of the people living there on the pavement is it's very poor. They live a very shabby life. They are poor, but they are so dirty also. They are so shabby. They always live a clumsy life. And how does one gesture bring a change in their life? What was the gesture? There was a pretty girl in one of the class. So she was given instruction by the teacher to uh, wear clean clothes, to come in a school in a clean way, but she didn't listen at all. After that, when the teacher offered her a new dress and the color of the dress was blue, when this dress was given to that girl, so she very enthusiastically got that gift. She wore that blue dress and she was very excited to wear that dress. And after that, it brought a tremendous change in their life because they thought that they should make each and everything clean in their life, whether it is kitchen tablecloth or whether their surrounding. So the beginning started only with a blue dress. Okay, so I'm going to continue from page number 104. All of you get ready with this page. All of you get ready with this page. After supper, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. Her husband watched silently for several moments. Then he went outside and began to repair the fence. The next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. So now the girl was wearing blue dress. She was very much excited after wearing a blue dress, and now she was keeping each and everything neat and clean. Okay, so what was the first effort that they have done? They have purchased a tablecloth, and when they were about to take their supper, here the meaning of supper is dinner, when they were going to take their dinner, then they cleaned their tablecloth and it was looking so tidier, it was looking so nice and clean. And why they have put that gesture? Because they were thinking that their daughter was looking so clean, their daughter was looking so neat, so beautiful, so pretty, wearing that blue dress. So why the place where they were going to take food, that place should look shabby? So that's why they have spread a new tablecloth. So now after that, they have taken their supper, they have taken their dinner, and the mother, what was the gesture of mother? What was the gesture of the mother? The mother started cleaning the kitchen floor, okay? And her husband, he was looking that lady, he was looking at his wife for several moments that what that lady was doing. After that, he was so impressed to see that their kitchen floor, which was not clean and neat, now it was becoming clean because of the effort of his wife. After that, husband, that the father of that pretty girl, he went outside and he started repairing the fence, you can say outer area of that house. Okay, and the next evening, what was the gesture? With the family's help, they started making a garden. Okay, it means first gesture was blue dress, second gesture was that they purchased a new tablecloth, they put effort that the kitchen should look clean. After that, mother started cleaning the kitchen floor, and when father was looking at them so silently, so he was so impressed and he also wanted to put some efforts. So what efforts did he put? He started making, you can say, repairing the fence, and after that, with the family's help, they started making garden. Okay, so this was the gesture. Now let's move to next paragraph. During the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing. And by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house for the first time in 10 years. A few days later, the young minister of a church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. For the first time, he noticed that there was no pavement on Gates Avenue, no street light, and no running water. People who are trying so hard to make decent homes here deserve help. The minister thought he asked some important citizens in the city to help them. Now, see, in this paragraph, it is told that during the following week, following here means what will be the meaning of following? Following here means next week. So during the next week, what was happening? Now the change has come in their family because of that pretty girl. Mother changed. After looking at the mother, father also changed. He became possessive for cleanliness. And after that, when such kind of gesture was noticed by the next neighbor, okay, so next house, so they also started doing something. And by the end of the week, the man began to paint his house. He thought that now his house should look neat and clean. So that's why he started cleaning his house. And for the first time, it happened in 10 years. For the last 10 years, they had not cleaned their house, and now they were whitewashing their house. And after some days, what happened? Young minister, he visited that area near the Gates Avenue, and he passed two houses, and he saw that two men were working because they were so lazy. They were least bothered for the cleanliness for the last so many years. Now they were doing cleaning, and the young minister, he was so impressed to see the cleanliness of that house that he thought that two men were working. And first time he noticed that there was no pavement. What is the meaning of pavement? I told you yesterday. What is the meaning of pavement? Pavement here means footpath. Okay. So pavement here means footpath. Yes. So for the first time, he saw that in that area there was no footpath, there was no pavement. Okay, because people used to sit there, people used to lie on that footpath. It was looking so shabby, untidy. But first time he saw that people were sitting in their house, they were cleaning their house, and they were not sitting on the footpath, and no street light, no running water. And he was also surprised, young minister, that running water is not available, street light is not available. So the people who were working so hard in their decent home, what is the meaning of decent? Decent here means respectable. So people who were sitting in their respectable home, they deserve help. What is the meaning of deserve here? It means they require, they deserve, they need, or they require help. So this was the thinking process of young minister, that they should be provided help because they were not having running water, and they were also not having any other facilities. Okay, so after that, young minister, what was his gesture? His gesture was that he asked some of the citizens to come forward and help in this matter. So what was the help? To clean the city. So this gesture was asked by young minister. So what do you think? Others people came or not to help them? Their other citizens, they came forward or not? What do you think? What will happen next? Yes. So other citizens also took efforts, they also took initiative. So it was not a work of single person, it was a teamwork. Okay, it was a teamwork. So a few months later, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on Gates Avenue. There was a street light on the corner and the houses had running water. 6 months after the little girl got her new blue dress, Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. So what happened after some months? Because of the efforts of young minister, because young minister noticed this thing that people are taking initiative, they are cleaning their house, they deserve help, okay, and they are the decent people, okay, we should give them help. So after that, few months later, because of the efforts of a young minister, now the proper payment on the Gates Avenue was framed and there was a street light on the corner, because earlier people were living in darkness, there was no street light available, but because of the effort of young minister, those people got street light, and now they also had got the facility of running water. And this facility was provided by whom? This facility was provided by young minister. Okay, so young minister provided them facility of proper pavement and running water. Okay, and after 6 months, what happened? The little girl got her new blue dress. Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizens lived. Now the place has become so tidy, and the little girl, she also got her new blue dress. It means another dress she has got, and now the great avenue was looking so tidy. Earlier it was so clumsy. Earlier it was so shabby, but now it was looking so tidy because of the efforts of teacher, because of the effort of father, mother, that girl, and after that the effort of young minister. And young minister also took help from other citizens, they also came forward, and it was not a work of a single person, it was a teamwork. Because of that teamwork, all of the scene completely changed and there was a complete neatness in that area. When people in other places heard the story of Gates Avenue, they began to organize their own clean up campaigns. Since 1913, more than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes and making better lives for the people who live in them. Now, see, when the people, yes, the girl has, Raghav is asking me, yes, the little girl has got a blue new dress. So, see, because of the effort of one person, the chain was going on, the network was going on, and this story spread in a neighborhood. After the neighborhood, this story spread in whole of the city. Whole of the city became clean, and when the people living in other places, they heard about the story of Gates Avenue, so they also started organizing. Organizing means to making arrangement. So they also started making arrangements to clean up, and they also started making arrangement for campaign. Campaign, you can say plan activity. So they also started making planned activity, and this effort was done in 1913, and near about 7,000 towns and cities, they have organized campaigns for painting, for repairing homes, and for making better lives for the people who live in them. Okay, whose main hand was there? You just tell me. One of the student is asking me whose main hand was there. It was a hand of a teacher, it was a hand of a young minister, or father, mother, whose? See, first effort, only single effort was taken by a single person, that was a teacher. After that, girl, parents, father and mother, and after that, young minister. After young minister, other citizens came forward. After other citizens came forward, then other neighbors also starting doing efforts. It spread like a fire, this story spread like a fire, and other neighbors, after that, whole of the town, whole of the city became clean. It means the main motive of this chapter is that if something wrong is going in front of you, so only one single effort can bring tremendous change. Only the single effort of a teacher, it was taken, and it brought a tremendous change in the whole of the society. So who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? So the question here is given in a very nice way, that who was aware of this fact, that what will happen if the teacher takes this step? A teacher has taken only small step. What was the small step? The step was only to provide a blue dress to a girl. But after that, whole of the city, whole of the town, it became so neat and so clean. The lifestyle of the people changed. Earlier they were, see, the people, they were little bit at fault, but they were not so much at fault. Why so? Because there was no running water. How could they clean their dresses? And moreover, they did not raise their voice against this. They did not put a demand. Yes, they require street light, they require running water, and when this facility was also provided to them, so it really brought a change in their lives. Okay, now my dear students, we are going to do now page number 105, question answers. First of all, we will be doing MCQs of page number 105. Okay, so all of you get ready with your MCQs answers. Okay, Raghav has written so well that teacher took the first step, but with the passage of time, others people also got up, and their eyes were opened, and they also took initiative to clean their surrounding. So now let's move to MCQs. Gates Avenue looked longer than it was because, see, the place was looking so longer. Why it was looking so longer? What was the reason? It was long, that's why it was looking. It was narrow, not at all. It was dirty, or it was too broad. What can be the reason? The reason is very much clear, because the place was already dirty. So because of the clumsiness, because of the dirt, the place was looking so broad. So in MCQ C option, it was dirty. That option will be your correct answer. So let's move to now second MCQ. Most of the residents of Gates Avenue. Now on page number 102 and 103, it is given very crystal clear that how the Gate Avenue was looking. Okay, most of the residents. What is the meaning of residents? Residents here means most of the people who were living there. Okay, so most of the residents of Gates Avenues, they were not well off, prosperous, senior citizens, or too young. Yes, they were not well off. They were not well off means they were not so rich. They were not so rich. So not well off means rich. Now question number third, Gates Avenue remained dirty. See, this place was very much dirty. What was the reason behind that? Why this place was so dirty? The people stopped caring. They did not bother making the effort. They had a little money, all of the above. What can be the right answer? I'm reading your messages. Yes. Mm. See, the first reason, they were least bothered to take care. They were not taking care. This was also a reason. They were not taking any effort. This was also a reason. Because they could complain to young minister, they could complain to higher authority about running water facility, about street light, but they did not take any effort at all. And moreover, they were not well off. They were having very less money. They were not so rich. So that can be also the reason. So the answer will be all of above. Yes. So the answer will be all of above. Clear? Okay. Now, the teacher felt, next question is, the teacher felt dash about the girl's appearance. The teacher felt angry. She was very angry to see the appearance of a girl. She got angry. She felt sorry for that. She felt disgusted. Disgusted means she started hating that girl because of her appearance. Or she was unhappy. How was she feeling? Yes. So many students are sending me correct answer. Yes, she was unhappy. Yes, good. Those who all have sent this answer unhappy, that's really good. Your answer is correct. Now let's move to question number 5. Gates Avenue finally had a payment because of the dash. Because of the minister, because of the neighbor, because of the mother, or because of the young minister? Yes, I have just told you when I was explaining page number 104. Yes, because of the efforts of young minister. Yes, because of the efforts of young minister, Gates Avenue finally had a payment. Good. So you can check your answer. First, it was dirty. Second, not well off. Third, all of the above. Fourth, unhappy. And fifth, we have young minister. Clear? Now let's move to short question answer discussion. We have question number first. Did the onset of spring change Gates Avenue? Onset means when the beginning of the spring, at the beginning of the spring. So did the onset of spring change Gates Avenue? It means when spring season came, so did it bring any change? Gates Avenue, did it bring any change in the place of Gates Avenue? Text me, yes or no? See, spring brings so many new things. It is a beginning of a new life sometime. It is considered. So when spring season came, so did it bring any change in their life or their lifestyle was same? Yes. So the answer will be no, because they were living a same lifestyle. They were not putting any initiative. They were not putting any effort to bring a change in their life. So here you can put, I am going to tell you some of the good vocabulary words. You can put those good vocabulary words in your answer because this chapter is very simple, not so complicated. And here you can put good vocabulary words in order to make your answers impressive. So in answer number 1, you can put a word initiative. The meaning of initiative here we have efforts. So the people who were living there, so the beginning of the spring season did not bring any change in their life. They did not put any efforts, they did not take any initiative to bring changes in their life. So the question, did the onset here means, what is the meaning of onset? Onset here means beginning. So the beginning of spring did not bring any change in their lifestyle. So their lifestyle was going as usual. Okay. So you keep notebooks in your hand. Yes, beginning or arrival. Jia has written a word, arrival. Yes, arrival of spring season. So the arrival of spring season did not bring any change. They did not take any initiative, any efforts to bring changes in their life. Their life was going as usual as it was going earlier. Okay. So you keep your cameras on, all of you keep your videos on, so that I can see that are you writing or not side by side. You should put effort, you should write down your answers. Keep your videos on, all of you. Okay, now let's move to question number 2. Why was the teacher fond of the girl even though she was dirty? Fond of means she really loved that girl. Here meaning of fond of means love. See, that pretty girl was so clumsy, so dirty. Still teacher loved that girl. What can be the reason? Text me, hurry up. It is given in the chapter that she was good in studies. Gia is saying she was so nice. She was good at study, hardworking. Okay. These all are your points. She had pretty face, friendly, okay, polite. She was pretty and kind. That's why teacher loved that girl. She was kind and polite. It is given in book. She was kind and polite. See, the girl was so pretty. Okay. She was small, she was hardworking, she was cute, okay. The girl was working hard. See, on page number 103, it is given the next morning the child's pretty face was clean and her hair tidy. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now, dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." Because the face of that girl was clean, face of that girl was pretty, but it was looking so clumsy and shabby. The hair was not proper done, okay, and girl was looking good, but she was not keeping herself neat and clean. So the teacher understood her condition. That's why she told her that that the girl was pretty, she was respectful, yes. So the teacher did not hate that girl because the teacher understood the plight of that girl, that she belonged to a poor family. Yes. Yes. So in second answer, why did she fond of that girl? Because she did not hated girl. She did not hated that girl because of her poverty. She loved that girl because it was her student. Okay, and she wanted to take out best, yes, she wanted to take the best out of herself and her personality and her beauty. Very good response given by one of the child, that she wanted to take out best out of her personality, out of her look, that she could look more beautiful. Okay, now let's move to question number third. Why did the teacher gift her a dress and not the other girls? The teacher gave one dress to that girl. Why did the teacher not give dresses to other girls? What can be the reason? Okay, one of the reason is that she wanted to polish her personality. She was fond of her. Yes, because she was poor. Yes, this is the main point. Because she was poor, she couldn't afford. So that's why the teacher took one effort. Yes, so the teacher took, because other students were wearing good dresses. Yes, very good, Jia. Because she was wearing a same dress for so many days. This is the main point, because of her family condition. Yes, yes, this is a very good point, because the girl was wearing a same dress for so many days. Okay, okay. I'm giving you, only providing you some of the hints. So you can put these hints in your answer, you can frame. Because the girl was wearing same dress for so many days. And you can also add that from her appearance, she was seeming poor. She was seeming poor, couldn't afford, couldn't, couldn't afford a new dress. She couldn't afford a new dress. So that's why she couldn't afford a new dress. So that's why she wanted to make that girl tidy. Clear? Now let's move to question number fourth. How did her mother react to the new dress? What was the reaction of her mother when her daughter got a new dress? Yes. What was the reaction? Couldn't believe. Couldn't believe her eyes. Became overexcited. Yes. Surprised, amazed. Yes, here you can use the word amazed. Wondered, surprised. Yes, astonished. Very good response. Astonished. Yes, she was extremely happy. She was feeling on the seventh sky. She was full of excitement. She was so jubilant to see her daughter wearing a very beautiful dress. She was so impressed to see her beauty, and they were overexcited to see that dress to her father. And it really had a very good impact on that mother. She brought a change in her kitchen. Yes, She thought that if her daughter is looking so beautiful, so why should she take food in that messy kitchen? So that's why she brought a new tablecloth that her daughter should take food in clean place. Okay, so you can put this thing also. Okay, now let's move to question number 5. What was the impact of the teacher gestures on the girl's family? She thought that her mother is not. No. See, yes, Gaurav has written so well. It was having a big and nice impact. What was the big and nice impact on the family? Yes, they started their house. From where did they start? They started from their kitchen. Yes, they started their kitchen, cleaning their kitchen. Yes. Then their fence, then their surrounding, then their neighborhood. So it brought a tremendous change in their life. Their whole of the neighborhood also got changed. Their whole of the lifestyle got changed. And with the effort of the young minister's facility of running water and street light, their lifestyle completely changed.